Welcome to Nobility Learning Center. Today I will present you about grade 9 chemistry. It's unit 5, part 1 is physical states of matter. Okay, table of contents, introduction to physical states of matter. There is also what lesson summary and lesson review exercise. Introduction. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to explain the 3 physical states of matter. Okay. Uh, Before we are going to discuss about the 3 physical states of matter, let's classify nature into what 2 parts, okay? The non-material parts and the material parts, okay? What does non-matter mean? Any type of energy or any abstract concept. For example, time, sound, sunlight, rainbow, love, thoughts, gravity, microwaves, heat, memories, etc. These are what non-materials, okay? Any type of what energy or any abstract content, anything that do not have what mass and do not occupy what space is what non-matter. And the second type of nature is matter. Uh, Everything that has mass and occupies what space is matter, okay? All living and non-living things are materials. Okay, what is matter? Okay, we'll discuss the details about materials in chemistry in this discussion. The word matter refers to everything, okay? Everything uh, in the universe that has mass and takes up what space. All matter is made up of atoms or elements, okay? Sometimes atoms bond together closely, while at other times they are scattered widely, okay? Matter occurs in 4 states: solid, liquid, gas, and plasma. There are also what other states of matter uh, in exceptional conditions. The states of matter of a substance may be changed by adding or removing heat energy from it. States of matter are generally described on the basis of qualities that can be seen or felt. Matter that feels hard and maintains a fixed shape is called a solid. Matter that feels wet and maintains its volume but not its shape is called what? A liquid. Matter that can change both shape and volume is called a gas. Like a gas, there are also what other form of physical states of matter, which is the plasma, can change its volume and shape. Okay, it's just like a gas, but unlike a gas, it can also change its electrical charge. The same element, compound, or solution can behave very differently depending on its states of matter. For example, solid water or ice feels hard and cold, while liquid water wet and mobile. It is important to note, however, that water is a very unusual type of matter. Rather than shrinking when it forms a crystalline structure, it actually what expands. Okay, solid is the first physical state of matter. A solid has a definite shape and a definite volume. Solids are almost completely incompressible, have very high average density because uh, the force of attraction between what solid particles is uh, known as what electrostatic force, which holds the particles together, tightly packed. Okay, a high average density reflects the fact that the particles within solids are usually packed together than those in liquids or gas too. The tightly packed particles of solids are also highly organized. The particles of a solid, whether they are atoms, ions, or molecules, only vibrate about a fixed point with respect to the neighboring particles. Because of this, the particles maintain a fixed position. For example, substances like metals, wood, coal, stone are what? Solids. The liquid, the second physical state, a liquid has a definite volume but doesn't have what? A definite shape. Liquids take the shape of their container, okay? They do not have what? Their own shape. This is explained in terms of arrangement of particles. In the liquid state, particles vibrate about a point and constantly shift their positions related to their neighbors. At room temperature, water, ethanol, benzene, and oil are liquids. The third one is the gas. A gas has neither a definite shape nor a definite volume. Gas do not have what its own shape and its own volume. This is because its particles are virtually independent of one another. For example, air, hydrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen are gas. The fourth physical state is the plasma state. Besides solid, liquid, and gas, there exists a fourth state of matter at a very high temperature, at millions degrees Celsius. At such temperature, molecules cannot exist. Most or all of the atoms are stripped of their electrons. It is a gaseous mixture of positive ions and electrons. Because of the extreme temperatures needed for fusion, no material can exist in the plasma state. Plasma has neither a definite volume nor a definite shape. It's just like what? A gas. Plasma often is seen in ionized gases, but it is distinct from a gas because it possesses unique properties. Free electrical charges, not bound to atoms or ions, cause the plasma to be electrically conductive. The plasma may be formed by heating and ionizing a gas. Examples of plasma include stars, lightning, fluorescent lights, and neon signs are the plasma physical states of matter. There are also what other states of matter. Scientists are discovering new states of matter all the time. In addition to the four main states of matter, other states include superfluid, Bose-Einstein condensate, fermionic condensate, Rydberg molecules, quantum Hall states, photonic matter, and dropleton. Okay, let's summarize the main points about the physical states of matter. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Matter exists in the form of what? Four physical states. These are solid, liquid, gas, and plasma. Scientists also discover other states of matter. Okay, review questions. Uh, Students, you can pause the video and give answer for the following questions, okay? Define matter and non-matter. What is matter? And also, what is non-matter? Give examples of matter and non-matter. Mention the physical states of matter. And number 4, could you give examples of the other states of matter? Okay, this is all about introduction to the physical states of matter. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment to my YouTube.